Want to make great tasting, nutritious plant-based food? Fast, easy, low cost, low energy, with very little cleanup? Then let's get to it. Hello, double cheeseburger. This time though, this is going to be grilled smoked tofu patties, hickory smoked grilled patties. These are fantastic. I make them myself. They're just delicious. Now, you don't have to smoke them, just grill them. You don't have to grill them. You can actually do them in the oven the same way. That's up to you, but they just come out beautiful, smoked, grilled on the grill. Oh, they smell smoky and good and fantastic. They're just wonderful. So that's what we're going to have, and I'm going to give you all the stuff that's going on here because we've got a lot of stuff going on. So bun, one of the most important, in fact, I don't know, a bad bun destroys a whole burger. I mean, a dry bun, just terrible, just horrible. I love these. These are always so nice and moist and good, and just got that right texture, everything to them. And you can toast them a little bit if you want or whatever. I don't. But these are potato buns. These are fantastic. No animal products in them. Just really, really good. So we've got the tofu. We've got the bun. I've got the Kraft cheddar cheese I'm using again. Now, I'm not doubling up on the cheese. I'm only doubling up on the tofu patties. So, because the cheese is so robust, it has such a big flavor, you really don't need two of them. And because it just comes through so much. Now you could, it's up to you. Serving size is one, but as long as you're making a double burger, you might want to put double cheese. That's up to you. I've got some already mashed up roasted garlic. That's going on here. I've got some hummus. That's going on here. I'll show you how that goes on. And this is what I use all the time on my sandwiches. I just love hummus in place of things like mayonnaise, any of that stuff. I do like mustard. Not a big ketchup fan, so I love Dijon and deli mustards from time to time on sandwiches. Those are fantastic too. But I love the hummus because the hummus works really well combination with avocado, and we're having some avocado on here. But I'm going to do, let's make like a mini guacamole. And I just did this on my video that's up on my channel, this last one I did. So I'm doing kind of two back-to-back burgers. This one just has the tofu patties and a little bit different twist in here of the ingredients versus the off-the-shelf frozen patties, which was great too. That was such a delicious burger. It's up too, and you can still see that one. So got avocado, I've got some cilantro, green onion, okay, and all this is gonna go in here. So it's like a guacamole, like I like it, which is not too many big heavy ingredients in it. And I'm doing just some salt and pepper with it. That's it. So that's just going to get mashed up. And it's kind of the same I did on the last one, but I didn't put cilantro in it. So it's a new twist here. I just did the green onions and the avocado and the salt and pepper. And I've got the same, this stuff I use on almost every sandwich. It's this mixed herb salad. I get it at TJ's. It's fantastic. Comes in a bag. It's about 4 servings in it. It's just great. I eat it every lunch too as well. But it just beats the heck out of iceberg lettuce and those kind. I love some of the other lettuces, as long as they're dark green, but I love this herb stuff. It's got great flavors. There's all kinds of great different leafy stuff in here. As you can see, it's fantastic. Really good. Zucchini is going on. Now I'm going to soften that zucchini just a little bit in the microwave just so it's not so raw, although I do eat sandwiches with it raw, and for this one I'm not going to. And then I've got beautiful sun-dried tomatoes are going on here. So it's just going to be absolutely fantastic. All these great ingredients are just going to make this sandwich is going to be killer. I can tell. I've done very close things to this and just eaten them and not even really made videos. But this combination, I actually haven't done this particular one. So I'm going to give it a try. So I'm going to get this all ready. These are going to go in the toaster oven for about 3 minutes, right about there, just to get them hot again. They don't need to be cooked. They're already cooked. They were grilled and smoked, and they're fantastic. So I'm just going to get them warmed up, and then the last minute I'm going to put the cheese on. So it's going to be about 4 minutes and that's it. And then everything else, this just goes in the microwave, the zucchini, for 1 minute. So that's all going to happen at the same time. And then I'm just going to come out and put it together. So my last one was a 5-minute double burger. This is going to be a 4-minute double cheeseburger. So I'm going to get all that done. It's going to be really fast, simple, and I'll be back. Okay, it's out. Everything just smells so good. Oh, my mouth is watering because I'm going to have this for dinner. This is my dinner. So I kind of left this undone, so I'm just going to do it real quick. So this is the cilantro, the green onions, and just the avocado, salt, and pepper. That's all I did. And I'm going to kind of leave this kind of chunky, which is the way I like it. And all you do is just stir this together. I'm just stirring it up on a paper plate here. Like I say, you could easily make this as a dip if you wanted to. So I just wanted to give you that little quickie there on just mashing this. So I want it nice and chunky and all the herb and everything in there. And that's as far as I'm going to take it right there. So you can make it finer if you want, but that's where I'm going to keep it. And that's going to go right on top. Okay, so here's the bun. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to layer on the bottom. So we're going to start from the bottom up, obviously. And just layer a spread of hummus on here. Not too thick, just enough. Okay, right there, like that. And then I'm going to put all the lettuce or leafy green herby stuff on here. Make sure it gets on there good. Yes, okay, good, perfect. Okay, it's just the fun of layering this up, figuring out, okay, which layer do I want on there first? Okay, so after that, I'm going to put this first patty with the cheese on, as you can see right there. It's beautiful. Look at that melted cheese. Okay, that's going on here. Now, in between here, I'm going to put the sun-dried tomatoes right on the cheese. Now, you can do this any way you want. I just think this is going to be fantastic. It looks fantastic. I just want to get them all as spread out as I can. Beautiful. And then I'm going to put the patty on top of that, like that. Beautiful. Oh, this thing's going to be a monster. Okay, I'm going to put the roasted garlic on top of this tofu right here. Oh, wow. I don't know about you, but this is like driving me nuts. I can't wait to put this in my mouth and eat it. It's just look at that. That's fantastic. Okay, now I'm going to put my zucchini on top of here. I'm just going to layer this up. Let's see if we can just get 2 good layers of that. Yeah, we got a couple extra. Let's put those down the middle. Hide those holes. There you go. Ah, beautiful. Oh, my goodness. That is fantastic. Go get this out of the way. And now we're just going to pile the guacamole on top of here. Just like that. Oh. This is just crazy amazing. Okay, now on top of that, a little more hummus on the upper part, which is going to be really good. Just as a nice spread on both pieces of bread. This hummus mixing with that avocado is just fantastic. Okay. Put all that stuff aside. Let's move this onto the center of the thing there. Match it up. Right there. And that's it. Wow. Is that just beautiful? Fantastic. It's just, can't wait to eat it. I'm FOODMAKER V. And remember, the best investment you'll ever make is an investment in your health. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.